Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are doing well and having a wonderful day. And in this video I'm going to solve a hextree challenge which is in the intent attack surface section, and the application is io.hextree.attacksurface.apk, and this is the second flag, and it says send an intent with extras to the flag2 activity. And this is the second flag. We already solved the first flag, and while we solving the first flag, we already opened the application, also add some code. I'm not going to explain this again, so kindly please check the previous video, I guess. So this is the first flag solution. I already opened the application in JADX, and also I create a example APK, which is a POC APK. So if you click the application, it will retrieve the first flag, which is using this code. So now let's move on to the second flag, which is the second flag is here, and which also exposed, because it says Android exported is equal to true. That means it is also an expose activity. So if we double click that, it will open the Flag2Activity file, and here it's a basic code with a public class Flag2Activity, and there is a flag which is encrypted, and on here there is a check which is if the action is equal to null and the action dot equal to is io.hextree.action.give flag, then it will return something. Also the action is the action string is get intent dot get action. That means we need to replicate this line of code. For that we can first give it a test, which is we already create a new intent, also create a new component with the package name, also the class, but this is the first flag class. So we can just copy this, or we can just rename this with 2, replace the 1 and put it 2, and it will start the activity. And if I try to run the application, it will open, and if I start the intent, and it throws an error which is activity.getIntent condition not met for flag. That means there is something wrong. If we come back to the JADX and see the code, it says there is a getIntent.getAction button, get action function. I think it's a function. It's a get action function. I think it's a function. So we can do just after calling that, we can manually, I guess, call intent.getAction, and now we can try to run the application and see if it works or not. If we click, also it says that it's not matched the condition yet. Okay, so because it's a get, I think we need to set the action, set action, which expect a string, set action, and again we can just try to run. Okay, so now it says we need to put an argument. Okay, so when we use intent.setAction, it says we need to give an argument. It expect an argument. If we come back to the JADX and see the flag2 code, there is a check, which is if the action is equal to null or the action is not equal to this io.hextree.action.give flag, then it will return null. Otherwise it will like success. It will call the success function. My bad. It will call the success function and give us the flag. So we can just give it a try. Copy the text and put that here. Set action argument and try to run the application. I think I need to close the application and run again. Okay, so it's running, and if we like click the application, and that's the correct flag. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.